If you want to add a photo to a contact on CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all, of course, we're going to open the phone app. Make sure that you are in contacts over here. Next, you want to select the contact for which you want to add a photo or a picture. Tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, and then you should be able to press over here where we have add picture. You can tap on this image here. Now we can use the camera. You can open the camera in order to immediately take a photo right now, or you can open the gallery and choose a photo from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. We can also adjust the photo. We can move up and down, left and right, zoom in and zoom out. We can also rotate the photo as well if you want to, and then we can press choose. Now next over here, press save in the top right corner, and there you go. This is how we can assign a photo to a contact. Keep in mind that if you have a contact that is, for example, saved on a SIM card, there is a high chance you won't be able to add a photo, so the contact should be moved to a device storage or your Google account or any other way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.